The Novato Streetscape Committee is a city organization created to enlist the support of citizens and businesses to beautify Novato through volunteer projects, community awareness, fundraising, and donations. The Streetscape Committee has 4 flagship programs to further this goal of creating a more beautiful Novato. The Island Adoption Program gives businesses, organizations, and individuals the opportunity to sponsor and maintain a median island and express their pride in their community. The Exceptional Landscaping Certificate recognizes businesses every month for their efforts in making our town more beautiful. Team Up to Clean Up occurs the first Saturday of each month, where volunteers gather at an area in Novato to pick up litter. And finally, Clean and Green Day, a huge event where the whole town pitches in to help beautify our communities in the spirit of Earth Day. You can find us online at www.novatostreetscape.org, where you will find information on our programs and dates for future events. Or you can call 415-899-8280. You can also email us at streetscapecoalition@novato.org, or you can find us on Facebook. We hope to hear from you soon.